Hello gamers, welcome to my inaugural video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put your own photos in Out of the Park Baseball. In this version we're going to do OOTP, Out of the Park version 26, which is for the year 2025. And the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to settings, you want to go to face gen, and you want to disable it right here. Make sure that's disabled. Okay. You hit OK. And let's just say you want to start a new game. In this particular video, we're going to use this test mode for continuing a game. And before you do anything, you want to make this one extra change. You want to come over here to the game settings, right there. And you want to make sure you come over here to face gen, and you want to uncheck this where it says load face gen photo file files automatically, and you want to enable load player picture files automatically. Boom, right there. Once you have that set, you're going to be able to use your own pictures. So you want to navigate to this folder right here where it says photos, not pictures. That one there, the one that says photos, is the global folder. So anything you put in that folder, when you open a new game, those pictures will be in there. And the navigation is, you go to your PC, Out of the Park Developments, and you go to the version that you're currently playing, and you click on that and you get this. As you can see, I have a lot of pictures already in there. So anyway, you want to have this folder up because this is where you're going to put in the different pictures. And there's two websites that I use for photos. One of them is Baseball Reference. All you have to do is in your Google, just type in Baseball Reference. You hit enter, you open up that very first link, and now you have your baseball reference. So let's say you want to see Aaron Judge picture. You have it right here. You minimize this, and then what you want to do here is you want to just drag and drop your picture over to the corner right there. So you'll have that there. Okay. So these two things are going to be vital. Also, if you like baseball cards, open a new tab and type in Beckett baseball cards. And you go to Beckett Collectibles. So if you are a baseball aficionado and you rather have the player picture represented, you want their baseball card represented, you bring this menu down to baseball, this option here, because you got all these categories. You hit search for Aaron Judge. And then you just scroll down until you find a baseball card that you like. This is good in case you're playing a simulated baseball game, a historical simulation. Let's say you want a 2025 card of Aaron Judge. You do a search. And let's see what comes up. So this is the 2025 Bowman baseball card. So there's two options here. You could use either one of these in your Out of the Park baseball simulation. I have a really good friend who loves baseball cards. He's a baseball card expert, in my opinion. And he uses the baseball cards in the Baseball Mogul simulation game. For Out of the Park Baseball, I prefer the portraits, and I'll show you why when we start a game. So these two things are going to be crucial. Your folder, you want to have a window open for your photos. You want to have a window open to search for a player. And then, of course, you want to have Out of the Park Baseball open as well. So I've already started this project of, let me, wait, hold on one second. There we go. There we go. The windows are getting a little discombobulated. So I already started this project, and I've already done all of the Yankees, and I'm doing all of the Milwaukee Brewers, which is the team that they're playing next. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go to Milwaukee Brewers, which I already started, and you're gonna have the player list here. So let me see. I think I did. Yep, Sal Frelick is already there. Let's see. What was my last one? We have Andrew Monasterio, Isaac Collins. I think. Let's see which one. I think I ended with Jack Bowers. So we're gonna do Jackson Chourio. So if you want his picture here, all you have to do is, first thing you want to do is come over to, and you want to position these folders so they're very easy to get to. I'm going to change this to list, or no, details. No? Which one? Tiles? Yeah, tiles is good. Basically, what you want to do is you want to have room for everything. This is kind of like your workspace when you're adding photos to your game. So you want, let's say you want Jackson Chourio. If you want his baseball card, you could type that in here. Of course, it helps if you know how to type. And you have to spell it exactly as it is in the game. Jackson Chourio. Yep, there we go. Let me hit search. See if there's a 20. There's his 2025 right there. If you want to use his baseball card, you can put that there. Of course, there's already an Aaron Judge. That's why it said if you wanted to replace the picture. So I'm going to take that off and just put that up there. There we go. So if you want to use his baseball card, you can. And if you want to use the baseball reference portrait, you can. Use either one. And there's Jackson Chourio. He should be on the Milwaukee. So this is his portrait for the game. I'm going to delete the Judge one just for space because I've already have that in there. So now once you have that picture there, you come back to your game, you go to editor, you see this historical ID and BB reference ID. Either one of these two will work. I always use the top one. Highlight it, copy it, copy the name, copy the portrait name up here, and then just drag it over here into your photos folder. Then you hit picture functions and auto reload picture. And there you have Jackson Chourio represented. And you can just do this, go down the list. We did Chourio, we're going to do Christian Yelich, one more, just for laughs and giggles. Come over here to baseball reference. Pick up Christian Yelich. There he is right there. Drag and drop into your desktop. Come down here to editor. Highlight copy. Highlight the portrait. Rename paste. Drag it into your photos folder. Come down here and auto reload picture. And there you go. And just go down the line and you can add those pictures to the game. I hope this helps. I'm not an expert on this, on the inner workings of how the other stuff works. I just know how to do this and I know how to play the game. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. If you like it, if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be uploading games, 4 games. We're going to do a play-by-play of every single Yankee game this year. All right. Thank you for watching.